Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python, splitting URLs from query parameters, a deep dive. This tutorial explores how to effectively extract URLs from query parameters in Python. We'll cover various methods using Python's built-in modules and libraries like urllib.parse and requests to achieve this. We'll also discuss best practices and common scenarios you might encounter. Why is this important? Extracting URLs from query parameters is a common task in web scraping, data analysis, and web development. It allows you to follow redirects find the final URL after a series of redirects encoded in query strings. Extract specific data obtain links to resources embedded within query parameters. Normalize URLs clean up URLs by removing tracking parameters or modifying them for consistency. Analyze link structures understand how websites link to each other through query parameter-based URLs. Understanding the basics, what are query parameters? A URL is a uniform resource locator, a string that specifies where a particular resource can be found on the internet. A typical URL structure looks like this. The key part we're interested in is the query string, which follows the character. The query string is composed of one or more query parameters. Each parameter consists of a key-value pair, separated by an equals sign. Multiple parameters are joined together by an and &. Example in this URL. *q equals Python plus tutorial, search query for Python tutorial. Page equals 2, specifies the second page of search results. Sort equals relevance, specifies the results should be sorted by relevance. Core module, urllib.parse. Python's urllib.parse module is your primary tool for working with URLs. It provides functions to parse, manipulate, and construct URLs. Let's explore the most relevant functions for our task. 1. urllib.parse. Parse, URL, *. Parses a URL string into its components, scheme, netlock, path, params, query, fragment. * returns a parse result object with named attributes. 2. urllib.parse _qs, query, keep _blank _values equals false, strict _parsing equals false, errors equals replace, *. Parses a query string, the part after the, into a dictionary. The keys are the parameter names, and the values are lists of strings, because a parameter can appear multiple times. Keep _blank values, if true, blank values, example param equals, will be included. Strict _parsing, if true, malformed query strings will raise a value error. Errors, specifies how encoding errors are handled. 3. urllib.parse. String, encoding equals UTF-8, errors equals replace, *. Unquotes URL encoded characters, example %20 becomes a space, %2b becomes plus. This is important because URLs often encode special characters for transmission. 4. urllib.parse. Join, base, URL, allow _fragments equals true, *. Constructs a full URL by combining a base URL and a relative URL. This is extremely useful when a URL in the query parameters is a relative path. Example scenario 1, extracting URLs from a query parameter. Let's say you have a URL like this. You want to extract the URL after the URL equals parameter and decode it. Example scenario 2, handling relative URLs and base URLs. Sometimes, the URLs within the query parameters are relative paths, not full URLs. You'll need to combine them with a base URL to get the complete URL. Example Scenario 3, extracting multiple URLs from a query parameter. If a query parameter has multiple values, example URL equals URL1 and URL equals URL2, parse_QS will return a list of URLs. Using requests library, optional but recommended for real-world scenarios. While urllib.parse is excellent for parsing and manipulating URLs, the requests library is invaluable when you need to interact with those URLs, example to follow redirects or fetch the content. 1. Install requests *. 2. Following redirects *. Best practices and considerations *. Error handling * always include error handling, example try, except blocks, to gracefully handle cases where the URL is malformed, the parameter is missing, or a network error occurs. Encoding * be mindful of URL encoding. Use urllib.parse. To decode URL encoded characters. Also, when constructing URLs, use urllib.parse. To encode any special characters. Data validation * before processing extracted URLs, validate them to ensure they are in the expected format. You can use regular expressions or other validation techniques. Security * be cautious when dealing with URLs extracted from untrusted sources. Avoid blindly following redirects or executing code based on the content of those URLs, as this could pose a security risk. Consider sanitizing or escaping URLs before using them. Rate limiting * when fetching content from a large number of URLs, respect the website's robots.txt file and implement rate limiting to avoid overloading the server. Unicode * handle Unicode characters correctly. Use UTF-8 encoding and decoding to ensure proper handling of non-ASCII characters in URLs. Multiple values * remember that a query parameter can have multiple values. Parse_QS will return a list of values for each key. Iterate over the list if you need to process all values. Base URLs * always consider the base URL when dealing with relative URLs. Use urllib.parse.urljoin to construct absolute URLs. Complete example with error handling and Unicode *. This comprehensive tutorial provides a solid foundation for extracting URLs from query parameters in Python. By understanding the concepts and using the provided code examples, you'll be well equipped to tackle various URL manipulation tasks in your projects. Remember to prioritize error handling, encoding, security, and ethical web scraping practices. Good luck.